They spread out a blanket and opened the box. Cookies, juice, and tiny sandwiches. Tommy giggled and made a cookie sandwich. Grandma laughed too. It turned into the funniest picnic ever. They listened to the soft raindrops and told silly stories together. It felt warm and cozy. By evening, the rain stopped. Tommy ran outside and gasped. A beautiful rainbow stretched across the sky. Even a rainy day can be magical, with love and a little surprise.
Whoa!
See you next time, little stars. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Kohi World for more stories.